Picture this, you're finally on your dream vacation, ready to splurge on souvenirs and delicious food. But your debit card gets declined. Nightmare, right? Hey everyone! Today we're tackling a crucial topic for all BDO debit card holders planning an international trip: how to activate and use your card abroad, ensuring you have seamless access to your funds. First, you'll need to activate your card for international use through BDO Online Banking. Log into your account using your username and password. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Services tab. This is where you'll find the option to manage your card settings. Look for Card Settings or a similar option, and then find the section that allows you to enable international access for your debit card. It might be labeled International Use, Overseas Transactions, or something similar. You'll likely be asked to specify the dates you'll be traveling. Enter the start and end dates of your trip accurately. This ensures your card is only active for international transactions during your travel period, adding an extra layer of security. Make sure to toggle the switch or check the box to activate international use. Then, carefully review all the details you've entered to ensure they're correct. Finally, confirm the activation. You might receive a one-time password or OTP on your registered mobile number. To authorize the change, enter the OTP when prompted. And that's it. Your BDO debit card is now ready for international use. Remember to always keep your card secure and be mindful of ATM skimming devices. Now you can enjoy your travels with the peace of mind that comes with easy access to your funds.